welcome to your mat. Today we're starting our week with intention on a Sunday. Imagine waking up Monday refreshed, calm, and ready. This is your gift to yourself, a moment of peace and presence. Let's step away from the noise and focus inward. Notice your body, your breath, your thoughts. No judgment, just awareness. This is your reset, your chance to let go of the week's weight. Stress, worries, responsibilities, set them down for now. Make space for new, positive energy. Find a comfortable spot, roll out your mat, and let's begin. You deserve this self-care. When you fill your own cup, you have more to give. Let's start this week feeling full of peace, strength, and love. This is our Sunday ritual honoring the past week, welcoming the new. Breathe, move, and find what feels good. This is your time. Let's begin our Sunday reset together. Welcome, let's get started. Why Sunday? Because it's a natural pause, a breath between the busy week and what's ahead. The world slows down, giving us space to reset. Sunday is a rest stop on your journey, a chance to refuel. Instead of starting Monday exhausted, start from a place of rest. Use this day to check in with your body and mind. Stretch, breathe, and release the tension you've carried. This simple act of self-care sets the tone for your week. A calm Sunday leads to a more peaceful Monday, a more joyful week. Honor your body for all it does. A Sunday yoga flow is a thank you to yourself. Listen to what your body needs. Give yourself the care you deserve. This is your Sunday gift. Embrace the slowness. Reset, recharge, and prepare for the week ahead. Let's move forward with intention. Our breath is our anchor, always with us, always calming. Today, let's use our breath to guide our movement. Inhale to create space, exhale to let go. Stretching melts away tension from the week. Shoulders, hips, back. As you move, connect breath to movement. Inhale as you stretch, exhale as you release. This keeps you present, turning movement into meditation. Be kind to your body. Listen to its whispers. Ease back if something feels like too much. The goal isn't to push, but to find balance between effort and ease. Let your breath guide you, deeper or softer, trust yourself. This is your time to heal and release. Breathe in the good, let go of the rest. Mindful movement is a gift to your body and mind. Stay present, stay gentle. Let's move together, one breath at a time. You're doing something wonderful for yourself. Let's begin our gentle flow. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Move to hands and knees for cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, round your spine. Flow with your breath. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Pedal your feet, release your neck. Take 3 deep breaths. Lower your knees, bring big toes together, knees wide, child's pose. Rest your forehead, breathe deeply. Let your body feel heavy, supported by the earth. Stay for 5 calming breaths. When ready, walk your hands back. Return to a comfortable seat. Hands to heart, eyes closed. Notice how you feel. This simple flow is your reset, anytime you need it. Thank yourself for showing up today. You've given yourself a beautiful gift. Remember, it doesn't take long to feel better. You can return to this practice whenever you need. You did something wonderful for your well-being. Carry this feeling with you. Let's close with gratitude. Well done. Congratulations, you've completed day 1. This Sunday reset is the first step of a 30-day yoga journey. Each day will bring something new, gentle, energetic, playful. No need to be an expert, just show up. This journey is for everyone at any level. The goal: find what feels good, create a daily habit of self-care. Imagine how you'll feel after 30 days of moving and breathing. I'll guide you every step, just roll out your mat and press play. Make this your daily appointment with yourself. Build strength, resilience, and peace, one day at a time. Will you join me? Say yes to 30 days of yoga. Thank you for sharing your practice today. Namaste.